One.
This is the BC3E Unifrost Blast Chiller, new controller. The display is the core temperature display, 6 degrees at the moment. Press any key and lock comes up, so that means the panel is locked. Press any key and hold it and unlock comes up. So now we can use the panel. The set button here brings it into the various chilling and freezing programs and goes back again. So positive is chill and the little clock symbol means timed. So if we want to use that, we select that one. Negative means minus degrees, blast freeze, timed, and we could select that. And then we have chill with the probe, use the core probe, and blast freeze with the core probe. And we go back to the display. So we want to chill using the core probe. We select positive with the symbol and press the start button and away it goes. Here we have the core probe. The simulation is being inserted into a product inside. And you can see the core temperature. Once the core temperature here reaches 3 degrees, the machine will automatically turn off. You can also turn off the machine by holding the start button like that until the machine turns off.